I've been exploring the Dovly AI app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Dovly AI app. Dovly AI app is essentially an innovative credit management tool designed to help you build, repair, and protect your credit score, all from your phone. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence, it offers a personalized, automated approach to improving your financial health without the stress of juggling multiple credit services. Starting with the key features, Dovly provides free monthly credit monitoring with updates to your TransUnion report and VantageScore 3.0. The AI engine analyzes your credit report for errors and negative items, then automatically files monthly disputes on your behalf to fix inaccuracies that can lower your score. The premium plan, priced affordably at $39.99 per month or $99.99 annually, unlocks unlimited credit disputes across all three major bureaus: TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, real-time credit alerts, and $1 million in identity theft insurance. The app also gives personalized tips and tailored action plans that help you manage your credit journey step by step, making it easier to reach key life milestones like buying a home, getting approved for credit cards, or securing better loan terms. With over 1 million downloads and highly rated reviews, the app is praised for its ease of use and transparent pricing. From my personal experience, the Dovly AI app makes improving credit less overwhelming. The automation of dispute processes removes much of the manual hassle, and tracking credit changes through the app keeps you informed and motivated. The AI-driven insights help users focus on the most impactful credit improvements for their unique situations. The identity theft protection adds an extra layer of security, giving peace of mind. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, while the free plan offers valuable basic monitoring and monthly disputes, full multi-bureau services and real-time updates require upgrading to premium, which might be a consideration for budget-conscious users. Some users note occasional delays in dispute resolutions due to external credit bureau processing times, which is common in the industry. Also, the app's primary focus is credit repair and building. So if you want broader financial tools like budgeting or investing features, you'll need to use separate apps. Still, despite these minor drawbacks, the Dovly AI app stands out as a modern, user-friendly, and affordable solution for anyone serious about taking control of their credit score and financial future. If you want a hands-off yet powerful credit repair and monitoring tool in your pocket, it's definitely worth trying. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.